Hello, this is Naina Kamirkar from Dreams. Uh, Actually, I want to share some thing which I have recently experienced. तर मला असं वाटलं की आय शुड शेअर विथ पीपल अँड पीपल कॅन गेट अ हेल्प फ्रॉम वॉट आय शेअर. तर I was suffering from lumbar spine pain, okay, which I really didn't knew that it was a lumbar spine pain. Within 15-20 days आधी it was a severe pain on my back side अचानक. आणि मला असं वाटलं की माहीत नाही का दिस पेन इज हॅपनिंग, वाय इज दिस पेन. अँड देन आय कन्सल्टेड माय डॉक्टर. तर माझे डॉक्टर बोलले की यू हॅव नीड अन एक्सरे. तर आय टुक अ एक्सरे आणि एक्सरे रिपोर्टमध्ये इट केम दॅट आय हॅव अ लंबर स्पाइन डिजेनरेशन अँड विच इज ड्यू टू एज फॅक्टर दॅट वॉट दे हॅड टोल्ड मी. तर they said that you need medication and plus physiotherapy. Medication was only painkiller. तर मी painkiller, I started taking painkillers, but frankly speaking the painkiller was really not helping me at all. म्हणजे पूर्ण रिलीफ मला देतच नव्हतं. इतकं पेन, म्हणजे इट वॉज सिव्हिअर पेन, सिव्हिअर आय कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस दॅट पेन, की इतकं पेन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इव्हनिंग कंटिन्युअस. द पेन यूज टू नॉट गो ॲट ऑल, कंटिन्युअस पेन, कंटिन्युअस. देन मला फिजिओथेरपी बोललं जेव्हा एव्हरी वन वेन आय आस्क, सो दे सेड यू नीड अ फिजिओथेरपी. तर फिजिओथेरपी वेन आय स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग आय कुड नॉट गेट अ गुड फिजिओथेरपी इन भांडूप. सो जिथे पण मला इट नीडेड टू ट्रॅव्हल. देन सडनली मला असं क्लिक केलं की ड्युरिंग द लॉकडाऊन इन ड्रीम सोसायटी फेसबुक आय हॅड सीन एन आर्टिकल अबाउट फिजिओथेरपी बाय समवन. तर मी बोलले की लेट्स ट्राय, म्हणजे एकदा शोधून तरी बघू वेदर आय गेट समवन. सो आय स्टार्टेड searching for this person, whom I had seen in the Facebook account, and luckily I got the number. I called her up. So she asked me what is wrong, and I sent her my reports and everything. मग तिने मला कॉल करून मला म्हणले की वाय डोंट यू कम डाऊन अँड लेट मी सी यू. फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग मला तेव्हा असं वाटलं की म्हणजे उगीच जाणार, माहीत नाही वॉट शी विल बी एबल टू रिअली हेल्प मी आउट. But then she insisted. I was in a two mind that I should go or not go. तर मी I told her that okay, I'll come tomorrow. She said, you are having so much pain, you come today. So I went. Then I went to her because I was having so much pain. But believe it or not, I really didn't knew that whether she will really be able to help me. So I went and she saw me, she checked me, and then she started giving her treatment to me. Okay. The moment she started giving treatments to me, she started giving me all her points. She started giving pressure points to me. I slowly started feeling so relaxed. I think when I came to her house, she will be able to tell me that I was in such a big pressure, pain, and everything was just shown in my face, clearly. But slowly when she started giving me the treatment, I also started relaxing and I started feeling the difference. And when I came to her house, it was so difficult for me to walk down to her house. And when I left from her house, I was easily able to, when I left from her house, I don't know, it's a miracle which she's having in her hand. My pain in my back was completely gone. Completely. Okay, today I think is the 6th day after I came to her. Today is the 6th day. And from the time I have left her house till date, I have forgotten about my painkillers. I don't even, I used to carry to my work my painkillers in my purse. And today before coming to her, I realized, that time when I opened purse, I realized I am having a painkiller, but absolutely no pain. I have forgotten about my pain. There is absolutely no pain. And I am really happy. I think it is God who has given me this, shown me this path or this way to her. Otherwise, I could have been in a real bad condition. I have absolutely no pain, absolutely nothing. There is nothing. Even I feel right now my X-ray report must be wrong or someone else's report which has been given to me, because how can it disappear so soon? The pain which I had, I cannot express it to you in words, but it was just terrible. And I thank Mrs. Pradya for the magic which she is having in her hand, and she has a God-gifted talent. I request anyone who is really suffering, do visit her, because at least I can tell you from my experience that it was a miracle for me. I am so happy that I came to the right person at the right time. So it's a request to everyone to visit her. She has a God gifted talent in her, and there is a saying which I always feel that God cannot be everywhere, so He sends people to help them. So maybe she is in the form of that people who is there to heal us. So please do come over to her. Thank you, Pradya. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. I love you for all that.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
Thank you.